Build a bowl with me, number 4. Let's start off with some yellow bell peppers. Next, we'll add some carrots. Then we'll add some cooked lentils. Next, we'll add some purple cabbage. Next, we'll add some cherry tomatoes. And finally, we'll add some avocados. And there you have it. Now, what I'd like to do is show you how to make a homemade balsamic maple dressing to go on top. So we'll start our jar, and to that we will add 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. 1, 2, 3. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. To that, we'll add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Next, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And finally, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. Once we have all our ingredients here, we'll simply put the lid on and shake it up. And if you want to, you can add it to a dressing jar, and we will drizzle that over our salad. And there you have it. Enjoy.